Hi, this is Tom at Snake River Base, and I just wanted to take a couple minutes and talk about the tailgate. The tailgate is probably the most important safety innovation in modern base parachutes. It was developed around 1999 or 2000 at Basic Research, the company that's now called Apex, primarily by Annie Helliwell, Todd Schubotham, and Martin Tilley, who's now the owner of Asylum Designs. The tailgate's a reefing device that constrains the tail of the canopy to encourage a nose-first inflation. Without the tailgate, a slider-down canopy inflates like a balloon. The tail of the canopy will inflate first, and the nose will remain pinched. There's a lot of problems with this. The first one is the nose is very small, and a limited amount of air can flow through at one time, which means you have slow pressurization. The second one is that the tail first opening throws the control lines around, potentially in front of the nose, inducing line over malfunctions. The third one is that as air passes through this narrow opening, much like the air passing through the opening of the balloon, the nose will seek back and forth during the fill process. We use the tailgate in order to constrain the tail and promote a nose-first inflation because it has many benefits. The benefits of the nose-first inflation are faster pressurization, better heading rate for on-heading openings, and a reduced incidence of line over malfunctions. A lot of people think that it's just about preventing line overs, but in truth there are a lot of benefits to the nose-first inflation. In order to close the tailgate mechanically, we need to constrain the appropriate lines inside the tailgate itself. On every modern base canopy, the lines are color-coded for the tailgate, but you should still know how to locate them. Start with the line the tailgate is attached to, that's the center C. Go straight across and find the other center C. Then run your hand down until you reach the cascade, where the C's and D's are cascaded together. Bring the two center D lines back up, and you'll find that now you have the four center lines, two C's and two D's, inside the tailgate. Then bring the control lines in, one side at a time, placing them in the tailgate. Wrap the tailgate itself up around the lines and secure it with a rubber band. Typically we'll wrap this rubber band 3, maybe 4 times around, enough to make sure that it will remain secure until the opening. Be sure the line the tailgate is attached to is actually inside the tailgate bundle. The white retainer band is non-structural, and if the retainer band is inside with the line outside, you'll find that the retainer band is eventually torn out of the line and has to be reinstalled. Here we see a tailgate that is incorrectly applied. Here the line is outside with the retainer band inside, and you can see that during the opening it's going to tension the retainer band and pull on it, eventually tearing the retainer band from the line.
Is lay the line out, and I'm going to make 5 marks on it. 1 at 0, 1 at 2, 1 at 5, 1 at 8, and 1 at 10.